Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AXIE Infinity daily update. We will see some crazy stuff going on and the next price target, and of course if we correct a little bit, where are the next support levels. Before we begin, only few spots left on the monthly subscription to get easy profits with the automated signal selling and buying opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and when to sell your altcoins. Of course, you will get personal guidance and educational videos. Join in right now. Only 50 people can join in because the reason is I don't have the time for more and I want to give everyone the time needed. Okay, so you can join in there. Of course, you can cancel anytime you like. You will find the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will also find the link for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. We are going to see some major information right there, non-biased information, because I always want to be honest with you guys, and we will see some things. First of all, what I have done here is I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement starting from this bottom right where we formed back on 1st August, ending up to this top back at 77.6 around there Tether USD, and we had the price target of the 58 to 60 Tether USD if you remember the previous videos, and I'm so glad we achieved that. Not only we did achieve, but we went all the way upwards, guys. This is something amazing. So in case we correct a little bit, next support levels are the 68 Tether USD, 62, and of course we have the next targets, which is the 87, sorry guys, Tether USD, 87 Tether USD, the next price target for AXIE Infinity. We will be seeing many things right there. First of all, let's go to the MACD indicator. I will have more details, guys, on the price analysis right afterwards. Let's go a little bit to the MACD. On the MACD, you can see that we went all the way upwards. Not a bearish cross yet between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line. So therefore, we are totally fine for now, even if we see a correction going on right there, and even if we go down, this won't mean that we will be going down all the way. We have to see a very further bearish cross all the way down to say that we have lost this impulsive wave. For now, we are good. The volume is increasing again right there, increased right there, guys, as we went upwards. But we didn't have the same volume as we had back on the days where we approached the 52. All right, so therefore we are totally fine. You know the support levels, we have one more at 57, one more at 53, but I think that I will be making a new video by the time we go there. Let's go right now to the AXS USDT chart, but on the 4-hour frame to see the risk metrics. The risk metrics right there are totally fine. You can see that on the RSI we are near the 70. We were in an overbought situation. That's what happens in an impulsive wave, guys. Do not worry about this movement right here. We are totally fine. The commodity channel index is near the 100 as well, and the best thing is the stochastic RSI that is going down into an oversold situation. It isn't yet, but this is the indicator you should be trusting on an impulsive wave, the stochastic RSI. Okay, guys, so therefore when this goes in an oversold situation, we have a buying opportunity. We have to get there as soon as possible. If we have an impulsive wave, this means this is the bottom and we are going upwards. While the stochastic RSI can go into an oversold situation, sometimes the commodity channel index or the RSI do not go there. Okay, they do not go into an oversold situation in an impulsive wave, but only the stochastic RSI. I will just hide the volume right here. 20-day EMA is perfectly fine above the 50-day EMA. Never had a bearish cross. Only here we could actually have, we were about to have a bearish cross, but then we get rejected and we went upwards all the way. Okay, above the red line right here. Let's go to the daily frame to see some important things. Right there, we had on the SSL HYBRID, this is an indicator on the TradingView platform, we had a buying opportunity right there, okay? And we don't have a selling opportunity yet. SSL HYBRID, as I've told you guys multiple times, and I will say it again and again because we have new viewers coming, is very good on the buying opportunities, but not so good on when to sell. Okay, It can't identify exactly the top, although it is very hard to identify the bottom and the top for sure. Sometimes we might sell in a loss. Right now, in an impulsive wave, it does great. Sometimes in a normal market, it doesn't do so good. The SSL hybrid is very good though on an impulsive wave. The Bollinger Bands have nothing yet. You can see on the Bollinger Bands, having an impulsive wave means that we ride the top line and we go higher. In a normal market, when we go and touch the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we have a very high risk on the daily frame, and therefore we should be careful. We should be careful because we can go even lower. And the BACD on the daily frame, guys, looks good. Bullish recross, going even higher than the previous high. This is what we want on the daily. The RSI, the commodity channel index, the stochastic RSI on the daily frame is going into an overbought situation again. And of course, this is what happened in an impulsive wave, guys. This pattern right here, higher lows for the RSI, the highs are above the 70, above this purple zone right here for the AXIE Infinity. Okay, same happens with the commodity channel index, not the same with the stochastic RSI, and that's why I like the stochastic RSI, especially on the daily frames. You can see that the commodity channel index never went beyond the minus 100, while the stochastic RSI did go. That's why you should trust this indicator in an impulsive wave, because it is the only one that goes in an oversold situation, and then you can say that yes, we are in an oversold, we are about to go upwards. Okay, so let's go to the AXS Bitcoin chart. There you can see that on the AXS Bitcoin, it looks identical to the AXS Tether USD, only a little bit stronger. As you can see, it is a little bit stronger right now. And of course, I would love to see it when if we go up and make a new high right here. We are totally now in the 0.618. We found resistance right here in the Fibonacci retracement. What we need to do is make the 0.0016 to 817, as you can see here, as a support level. Then yes, when we make this a support level, then we go upwards. When we do something like that and then bounce off back, then we are going all the way upwards again, making some new highs. It looks good for now, guys. AXS Bitcoin chart looks good. And of course, on the daily frame, it looks very good. We didn't approach yet on the AXS Bitcoin chart on the daily frame, guys. We didn't approach yet the minus 0.236 we had as our target. It looks good. It looks a little bit weaker than the AXS Tether USD, but that's all we need. If we outperform Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes upwards, then of course, AXS in Tether USD will go higher. Let's go to the price analysis because I know you care about that. And as we told before, guys, we have the 61 around there, 57.3, 52.6, of course, and we have the next price target, which is around the 87 Tether USD. So what I would do there, instead of having only this Fibonacci retracement, I would just draw another one. Another Fibonacci retracement to know exactly what I will be doing from the top to the bottom. So I want to find major resistance levels. And here what I would do, guys. If we make the 74, as a support level, the 74 Tether USD as a support level, that means if we have a price action like this and we stop there, then I would re-entry here. And of course, the next price target, which is the 87, would be here. We have some minor resistance levels in between the 80 to 81, the 83, the 85, but the most important is the 87. All right, the most important is the 87, but keep an eye on these resistance levels as well in case you want to be more certain about them. Okay, so we would have a bounce around 12%. If you should go around here, you could have a bounce around 17%. 17% swing high. Okay, it is not something bad. You should always minimize the risk. Therefore, that's why I am saying let's make the 0.786 as a support level, then we can see many things. On the daily frame, as you can see, the stochastic RSI is not in an oversold, it is going in an overbought. So yes, on the 4-hour frame though, we are perfectly fine. The stochastic is going into an oversold, not in an oversold situation yet, all right? But that's what I would do. I would wait to see. The next price target, as we told, is the 81, but the 87 mostly. The 81 though, 83, 85, around there. We have the 60 62 around there, guys, 62, 57.3, and of course some others in case we go down. We have one more at 60 Tether USD, which is our minus 0.236 line, but anyway, these are the major support levels. Okay, these are the major support levels. I will delete the previous Fibonacci I have drawn from the top to the bottom, and you can see. Now the next question is, can we go even higher? Can we get to the 87? Do we have many chances of going even higher? I would say yes, guys. I would say that we have, because right now it doesn't look like we are going all the way down. Yes, we should be careful a little bit. Yes, you don't know. And of course, losing the 53, 52.66 around there, guys, the previous high you can see here, the 0.618 Fibonacci support level. Yes, we should be careful afterwards. If we lose that support level, this means that we go down, but this is something that we should not be worried for now. Let's see a little bit Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going a little bit down from the 20-day EMA right here. Have we went down all the way before? Yes, we went even down from the 50-day EMA, but be careful a little bit right now, as we might correct a little bit more for Bitcoin. Therefore, I'm not saying that Bitcoin will go all the way down. Look at this. The stochastic RSI is in an oversold. We are going into an oversold for the commodity channel index with this little minor correction right here. So we don't have anything to worry about for now. Right? We don't have anything to worry about for now for Bitcoin. AXS in Tether USD for the 4-hour frame, you can see it 70, 57.3, 52.66, 62.09, and etc. etc. Guys, we have these support levels. We have the 87. We don't care so much about Bitcoin because we outperform Bitcoin on the AXS Bitcoin chart. That's why I am saying right now we are just good. Of course, a strong Bitcoin will help AXIE Infinity go even higher. No one, of course, we know about that. And if Bitcoin had to have a crash right there and we were all the way downwards, then it wouldn't help AXS. But for now, we don't have a scenario like this as the market is right now. I repeat that, but the cryptocurrency market always hides some risk there. And of course, if you have some profits for AXS, just take an amount of the profits you have in order just to secure some profits and therefore leave some AXIE Infinity in case we go to the 87 we have as our next price target for AXIE. Okay, so this is the technical analysis and the price prediction. Thank you so much. Join the monthly subscription before it is too late, guys. Only a few spots left. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. And of course, guys, also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.